Everyone's gonna get this. This is a little booklet of what's in the box and a sort of a first. And that is all the pairing it to your iPhone, putting it on for the first time, connecting the straps. I'll show you guys this. Oh, and even how to store the cable around the battery. So apparently you do not want to wrap it vertically, but you do want to wrap it horizontally with a little bit of slack. Okay, I bet there's stickers. So polishing cloth, and that is a different polishing cloth to the one that comes with their monitors. Oh, it's nice and thin. That's a nice polishing cloth. People were comparing it to the like $20 polishing cloth for the studio display and the pro display. This is a different polishing cloth. The front of it is glass. You're probably gonna wanna use this to wipe it down once in a while, so I feel like this is a microfiber I'll keep. I know some people unboxing this who are gonna be very disappointed in the lack of Vision Pro themed stickers. All right, so when you buy an Apple Vision Pro, everyone actually has to go through a sort of a face scanning process. You actually use the iPhone with the Face ID sensors to measure the depth and scan around your eyes and your face, and you end up with a custom fitted light seal